Hello everyone, myself Dr. Anuradha Sharma, and today we will discuss top 100 MCQs of the chapter Plant Kingdom. These questions have been prepared from every line of NCERT, and these are important for your class 11 as well as NEET 2021 to 2022. So let's discuss the first question. Who suggested the 5 kingdom classification? Options are first, Robert Hooke. Second is Joseph Dalton Hooker. Third is Carolus Linnaeus. And fourth is Whitaker. Now we know that the 5 kingdom classification, it was given by the scientist Whitaker. Second question is the earliest classification used only physiological characters, gross anatomical characters, gross morphological characters, and last is all of these. Now we know that the earliest classification used most of the gross morphological characters. So these gross morphological characters were the basis of this earliest classification. Next question is, artificial system gave equal weightage to morphological and anatomical characters, vegetative and sexual characters. Third is vegetative and anatomical character, and fourth is morphological and sexual character. Now we know that artificial system of classification, it gave equal weightage to vegetative and sexual characteristics. So this is the correct answer. Fourth question is, dash characters are easily affected by environment. Sexual, somatic, anatomical, and fourth is all of these. Now we know that these somatic characters are easily affected by the environment. So somatics, option B is the correct answer. Next question is, natural system of classification were developed by natural affinities amongst organisms. Next is ultrastructure anatomy. Third is embryology, and fourth is all of these. Now we know that natural classification system developed the natural affinities among organisms. This was present in the natural system. Ultrastructure and anatomy was also there. Embryology was also there. So the correct answer is all of these. So D is the correct answer. Next question is, the classification based on evolutionary history was phylogenetic classification, artificial classification, numeric classification, and D is none of these. Now, the classification which was based on evolutionary history is phylogenetic system of classification. Next question is, number and codes assigned to characters in cytotaxonomy, chemotaxonomy, numerical taxonomy, and none of these. So it is the numerical taxonomy. This numerical taxonomy, it deals with the number and codes. So option C is the correct answer. Next question is, chemotaxonomy is based on information of chromosome number, structure and behavior, chemical constituents of plant, all observed characters, and B is only sexual characters. Now we know that chemotaxonomy, it is based on the chemical constituents of the plant. Next question is, according to phylogenetic classification, the organism belonging to same taxa are in same anatomy, have same genetic constituents, have a common ancestor, and next is have all same characteristic. So the according to this phylogenetic classification, organism belonging to same taxa have a common ancestor. So option C is the correct answer. Next question is, the characters used to classify organisms when no fossil evidence is supportive is numerical taxonomy, cytotaxonomy, chemotaxonomy, and fourth is all of these. Now the characters which are used to classify organism where no fossil evidence is supported, it is numerical taxonomy also, cytotaxonomy is there, and chemotaxonomy. All of three are included in the evidence. So option D is the correct answer, that is all of these. Next question is chlorophyll bearing thalloid, simply autotrophic and mainly aquatic organism are bryophytes, protists, algae, all of these. So it is, we know that chlorophyll bearing thalloid body, it is of characteristic of algae. Next question is filamentous form of algae are Ulothrix, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas, and D is both A and B. So filamentous form of algae, it comes in Ulothrix and Spirogyra. So option D is the correct answer, that is both A and B. Volvax is unicellular. Volvax is a first option is unicellular, second is filamentous, third is colonial, and fourth is symbiotic. So we know that Volvax is it is a colonial algae. So option C is the correct answer. Now next question is the modes of reproduction found in algae are first vegetative, second is asexual, third is sexual, and fourth is all of these. Now we know that algae reproduces by vegetative method, asexual method, and sexual method also. So option D is the correct answer, that is all of these are present in this algae. Now next question is vegetative reproduction in algae is by binary fission, fragmentation, budding, cyst formation. Vegetative, we know that vegetative reproduction in algae, it occurs by fragmentation. So this is the correct answer. We know that in fragmentation, what happens? A part algae is broken into different fragments and each fragment gives rise to new individual. So vegetative reproduction in algae, it occurs by this fragmentation. Next question is spore formation in algae occur during vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, and during germination. So spore formation in algae, it occurs during asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is, it occurs through spore formation. Next question is isogamy is seen in Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, both A and B, and none of these. Isogamy is seen in Chlamydomonas. This is the correct answer. Spirogyra also. So option C is the correct answer. That is, it is seen in both Chlamydomonas as well as Spirogyra. Algae possessing both isogamy and anisogamy is Chlamydomonas, Volvax, Spirogyra, and Fucus. So algae possessing isogamy and anisogamy is seen in Chlamydomonas. Male gamete is small and motile and female gamete is large and immotile in Fucus, Spirogyra, Ulothrix, and all of these. It is found mainly in Fucus. So option A is the correct answer. Next question is 50% of CO2 fixation on Earth is carried out by Protista, higher plants, algae, and none of these. We know that 50% of this CO2 fixation, it is carried out by this algae. So algae is important in CO2 for CO2 fixation. Marine algae used as food are Laminaria, Sargassum, Porphyra, all of these. Marine algae, it is used as food. Lamina is also used as food. Sargassum, we know it is also used as food. Porphyra, it is also used as food. So Option D is the correct answer. That is, all of these are used as food. Hydrocolloids are secreted by all of the algae, only brown algae, only red algae, both red and brown algae. These hydrocolloids are secreted by both red and brown algae. Both red and brown algae secrete these hydrocolloids. Algin is secreted by only all of the algae, only brown algae, red algae, both red and brown algae. Now we know that it is algin is secreted only by this brown algae. So option B is the correct answer. Carrageen is secreted by all of the algae, only brown algae, red algae, and both. So carrageen is secreted only by this red algae. It is characteristic of this red algae. Red algae secretes this carrageen. Next question is, microbes used in the preparation of ice creams and jellies are grown on the products secreted by cholera, Gelatinum glaciaria, spirula, and all of these. Now we know that microbes which are used for ice cream and jelly, they are secreted by this Gelatinum and glaciaria. So option C is the correct answer. Next question is, agar is commercially obtained from Gelatinum and glaciaria, Laminaria and spirula, cholera and spirulina, and Chlamydomonas and spirilla. This agar, it is obtained commercially from this Gelatinum and glaciaria. So option A is the correct answer. Green algae are kept in Phaeophyceae, Xanthophyllus, Xanthophyceae, and Rhodophyceae. Green algae, they are kept in this Zexophyceae. So option C is the correct answer. The organism which obtain chlorophyll A and B cup-shaped chloroplast and is unicellular is Pyrogyra, Chlamydomonas, Volvax, and Ulithrix. So among these, we can see that it is the correct answer is Chlamydomonas. It contains both chlorophyll A and B. Dominance, next question is dominance of chlorophyll A and B, pyrenoids and starch are stored food found in members of Chlorophyceae, members of Rhodophyceae, members of Phaeophyceae, and all of these. So it is seen mainly in the members of Chlorophyceae. So option A is the correct answer. Chlorophyceae are green glass due to dominance of pigment chlorophyll A and C, chlorophyll B and A, chlorophyll D and C, and all of these. Now we know it is green due to dominance of the pigment of chlorophyll B and chlorophyll A. So option B is the correct answer. Next question is, pyrenoids are located in cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, and nucleus. These pyrenoids, we know it is located in the chloroplast. So it is characteristic of chloroplast. So option C is the correct answer. Pyrenoids store proteins, starch, lipids, and both B and D. Pyrenoids, we know these store protein, and these also store the starch. So option D is the correct answer. That is both A and B. Cell wall of green algae is composed of cellulose and pectin, inner layer of pectose and outer layer of cellulose, and inner layer of cellulose and outer layer of pectose. So cell wall of green algae, it is made of inner layer of cellulose and outer layer of pectose. Zoospores are formed during asexual reproduction of algae formed in sporangia, zoosporangia, microsporangia, and megasporangia. So it is mainly formed in zoosporangia. So option B is the correct answer. Next question is, sexual reproduction is of isogamous, anisogamous, and oogamous in Chlorophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Chlorophyceae and Phaeophyceae, and Chlorophyceae and Rhodophyceae. So this sexual reproduction, it is mainly seen in this Chlorophyceae and Phaeophyceae. Algae which are primary marine is red algae, brown algae, green algae, or all of these. So algae which is primary marine is the brown algae. This brown algae is primary marine algae. Next question is filamentous brown algae is Pyrogyra, Laminaria, Ectocarpus, Porphyra. This filamentous brown algae is this Ectocarpus. Green algae performs dash oogamous type of sexual reproduction. First option is Sphagnum, second is Volvax, third is Dictota, and fourth is Pyrogyra. So the correct answer is Volvax. Green algae performs, that is Volvax oogamous type of sexual reproduction. Next question is kelps represent the group of bryophytes, red algae, green algae, brown algae. This kelps represent the group of brown algae. So option D is the correct answer. Next question is kelps may reach a height of 120 meter, 100 meter, 1000 meter, and 10 meter. So it may reach a height of 100 meters. So option B is the correct answer. Next question is the algae which possess chlorophyll A, C, carotenoids, and xanthophylls. It belongs to green algae, brown algae, both A and B, and fourth is none of these. So the algae which possess A and C carotenoids, xanthophyll, it belongs to this brown algae. Brown algae vary in color from dash to various shades of dash depending on the amount of dash pigment present in them. So it is the D option, that is olive, green, brown, fucoxanthin, and xanthophyll. Xanthophyll is present in them. Next question is laminaria and mannitol are stored foods of euglena, green algae, liverworts, or brown algae. So this laminaria and mannitol are the stored foods of this brown algae. So option D is the correct answer. Next question is the plant body of algae is divided in whole-pass types and is found in Chyra, Laminaria, Porphyra, or all of these. So the correct answer is Laminaria. In Laminaria, it is divided into whole-pass types and forms. Next question is the plant body attached to substratum in the brown algae is held by rhizoids, multicellular hair, holdfast, and roots. So it is mainly held by this holdfast. This holdfast helps in holding the plant body which is attached to the substratum in this brown algae. Next question is the photosynthetic leaf-like organ found in some of the algae are sporophylls, fronds, leaves, and scaly leaves. So the leaf which is found in algae, it is a fronds type. Zoospores of brown algae are uniflagellate, multiflagellate, biflagellate, and maybe any of these. So the zoospores of brown algae are mainly this biflagellate. So option C is the correct answer. The arrangement of flagella in brown algae is 1 unequally arranged, 2 unequal and laterally arranged, many flagella arranged, and depends upon the organism. It is the correct answer is 2 unequal and laterally arranged. So the arrangement of flagella is in brown algae is 2 unequal and it is laterally arranged. Next question is The biflagellate pear-shaped zoospores are characteristics of red algae, brown algae, red algae, green algae, brown algae, and all of these. So biflagellate pear-shaped spores, it is characteristic of mainly this brown algae. So option C is the correct answer. Next is fertilization in brown algae occurs in water within the oogonia, both A and B, and none of these. So it is C option is the correct, that is it occurs in water as well as within the oogonia. Sexual reproduction shown by the members of brown algae is isogamous, anisogamous, oogamous, and all of these. So sexual reproduction in brown algae, it is mainly all of these, that is isogamous is there, anisogamous is there, and oogamous is also there. So D option is the correct answer. Pyriform gametes means pear-shaped gametes, pear-shaped gametes, gametes with one flagella, and all of these. So it is the pear-shaped gametes. Pyriform gametes are known as pear-shaped gametes. Dictyota belongs to bryophytes, green algae, brown algae, and none of these. So it belongs to this brown algae. Dictyota is the characteristic, it belongs to brown algae. Next question is, red algae are found in cold seas, sea with moderate temperature, warm water, and none of these. So red algae, they are found in mostly warm water. So option C is the correct answer. Algae found in areas where no light penetrates is green algae, dinoflagellates, red algae, and brown algae. So it is the red algae. Red algae is found mainly in the areas where no light penetrates. Algae found in areas with abundant light as well as area of depth with no light is red algae, green algae, blue algae, and brown algae. So it is red algae. Red algae are mostly unicellular, multicellular, maybe unicellular or multicellular, and last is none of these. So the correct answer is, it is multicellular. Red algae are mostly multicellular. Multicellular means it is made of many cells and each cell has having a specific function. Next question is, Floridan starch is stored in some protists, some bryophytes, some algae, and prokaryotes. So it is the characteristic of some algae. In some algae, Floridan starch is stored. Floridan starch is similar to amylopectin, glycogen, fructose, and both A and B. So Floridan starch, it is similar to amylopectin. This is the correct answer. And it is also similar to this glycogen. So option D is the correct answer. That is both A and B. Next question is, the spores and gametes of red algae are motile and non-motile. Both are motile. Third is both non-motile, and fourth is motile spores and non-motile gametes. So option C is the correct answer. That is both are non-motile. Sexual reproduction of oogamous type is found in red algae, green algae, brown algae, and all of these. So it is found in all of these, that is red algae, green algae, and brown algae. So D option is the correct answer. The most reduced type of sexual reproduction is found in the members of red algae, green algae, brown algae, and all of these. So it is mainly found in this red algae. Dash reproduction is shown by members of Rhodophyceae. First is oogamous, second is isogamous, third is anisogamous, and fourth is all of these. So it is mainly oogamous. Oogamous type of reproduction is shown by the members of this rhodophyceae, that is red algae. Prawns are found in which of the following algae? First is Laminaria, second is Fucus, third is Dictota, and fourth is Porphyra. So option A is having all the three, 1, 2, and 3. B is 1 and 2. Third is second and third. And D is all of these. So all of these is the correct answer. It is found in all the following algae, that is Laminaria, Fucus, Dictota, and Porphyra. Air bladders are shown by Fucus, Laminaria, Dictota, Diota, and all of these. So air bladder is mainly shown by this Fucus. So option A is the correct answer. How many types of the following algae belong to the category of red algae? So the correct answer is 3. That is 3 of these belong to the category of red algae. Members of Phaeophyceae are Ectocarpus, Deota, Fucus, Sargassum, Ectocarpus, Deota, Fucus, and Porphyra, Chlamydomonas, Volvex, Hylothrix, Glaciolaria, and Gelatinum. So option A is the correct answer. That is, members of Phaeophyceae are Ectocarpus, Dictota, Fucus, and Sargassum. These all are the members of Phaeophyceae class. Next question is, polysulfate esters are present in the cell wall of Ectocarpus, Dictota, Gelatinum, Glaciolaria, Ectocarpus, and Sargassum, and Spirogyra and Chyra. So it is mainly found in the Gelatinum and Glaciolaria. So option B is the correct answer. Next is pear-shaped gametes are found in Ectocarpus, Dictota, Fucus. B is Hylothrix, Spirogyra, and Ectocarpus. Third is Ectocarpus, Gelatinum, and Glaciolaria. And fourth is none of these. None of these. So first option, that is A, Ectocarpus, Deota, and Fucus is the correct answer because pear-shaped gametes are found in this class. Next question is, the complex post-fertilization events are seen in Cholera and Spirulina, Glaciolaria and Porphyra, Volvex and Hylothrix, and all of these. So it is mainly seen in this Glaciolaria and Porphyra. The post-fertilization events are seen in Glaciolaria and Porphyra. Organisms referred to amphibians of plant kingdom are pteridophytes, bryophytes, angiosperms, and gymnosperms. So we know that bryophytes are known as amphibians of plant kingdom. Bryophytes are found in rocky places, hilly areas, moist shady places, and aquatic areas. So they are found in mostly in the moist and shady places. Organisms that play an important role in the plant succession are mosses, pteridophytes, protists, and none of these. These mosses, they play an important role in this plant succession. Now, next question is, bryophytes require dash for fertilization. Nutrients, water, both, and none of these. We know that bryophytes require mainly water for fertilization. So option B is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to the bryophytes? The plant, first is the plant body is thallus-like, more differentiated than algae and attached to substratum by the help of rhizoids. Next is the anthrozoids are released in water for fertilization. Third is zygote formed undergoes meiosis cell division immediately. And fourth is they have leaf-like, stem-like, root-like structure. So the option C is the correct answer, that is zygote form undergoes meiosis division immediately. The sporophytes of the bryophytes developed after reduction division of zygote, multiplication in zygote, before the formation of zygote, and none of these. So the sporophytes or bryophytes develop after the multiplication in zygote. So option B is the correct answer. Now the sporophytes or bryophytes is multicellular body. Parasites on gametophyte partially undergoes reduction division to form spores. And last is it is derived from water, derives the water from gametophytes. So option A is having both the choices 1 and 2. Option B is 3 and 4. And C is having only 1. And D is all of these. So option D is the correct answer. That is all of these. Sporophytes or bryophyte is multicellular. This is the correct statement. It is parasitic on gametophyte, partially undergoes meiosis, reduction, division, and lastly derives the water from gametophytes. So all statements are correct about the bryophytes. Next question is dash forms the gametophytes of bryophytes. First is zygote, sporophyte, gametes, and spores. So we know that the correct answer is spores. Spores forms the gametophyte of this bryophyte. The organism having more differentiated plant body than algae is protist, mosses, monera, and none of these. So the organism which is having more differentiated plant body than algae is mosses. The gametophyte possessing leaf-like, root-like, stem-like structure is gymnosperm, chlorophyces, slime molds, and mosses. It is the mosses which is having leaf-like, root-like structure. Now the next question is, the sex organ in bryophytes are reduced to single cell stage, multicellular, net cell develop, formed in sporophyte stage. So the correct answer is the sex organ in bryophytes is mostly multicellular. Next question is, the main plant body of bryophyte is haploid, diploid, polyploid, and all of these. So it is the plant body of bryophyte is mainly, it is haploid. So option is the correct answer. Female sex organ of bryophyte is oval shape, irregular, class shape, and depends on the organism. So we know it is class shape. Female sex organ of bryophyte is mainly class shape. Female sex organ of bryophyte is called nucleus, ovary, oogonia, and archegonium. So we know that female sex organ, it is known as archegonium, and male sex organ is known as antheridium. Next question is, archegonium contains dash egg cells in bryophytes. The options are more than 1, 2, 4, and 1. So we know that the archegonium contains 1 egg cell in bryophyte. So option D is the correct answer. Division in zygote results in formation of gametophyte, sporophyte, anthrozoids, or archegonium. We know that it results in sporophyte and bryophyte. That is, B is the answer. Gametophyte or bryophyte is free-living and autotrophic, maybe free-living or autotrophic, and always pressure. So B is the correct answer. That is, gametophyte or bryophyte is free-living and autotrophic. Autotrophic means it can manufacture its own food and it doesn't depend on the other organism for its food. Peat used in transshipment is a product obtained by liverworts, phaeophyceae, mosses, and none of these. So it is a product which is obtained by the mosses. Organism which first colonize the base rock is mosses, mycorrhiza, lichens, and both A and C. So the organism which first colonizes the base rock is mosses, the correct answer, and lichens are also there. So option D is the correct answer. That is both A and C. Now next question is, mosses are ecologically important because the first statement is the first organism to colonize the base rock. Second, it decomposes rocks using suitable for the growth of higher plants. Third, it forms dense mats on soil. And fourth, it reduces the impact of falling rain and erosion. So mosses, we know they are important because they are the first organism to colonize the base rock. Second, it decomposes rocks, making it suitable for the growth of higher plant. This is also correct. Third, it forms dense mats on soil. This statement is also correct. And fourth is it reduces the impact of falling rain and soil erosion. So this is also correct. That means answer is all of these, D option. Peat, which is long used as fuel, is a product obtained from Gelatinum species of Sphagnum, all mosses, and all liverworts. So it is mainly obtained from species of Sphagnum. Organism participating as pioneers in ecological succession belongs to lichens, mosses, liverworts, and these both A and B. So they belong mainly to lichens. This is the correct answer, and mosses. So option D is the correct answer. That is both A and B. Liverworts are found mainly in moist, shady places, banks of stream, marshy ground, damp soil, barks of trees, deep in wood, all of these. So in this we can see that all of these will be the answer because they are found in all the places. Now thallus of liverworts are first sexual multiplication of the formation of sex organ, which is known as gyme. Second, dorsiventral and appraised to substrate. Third, found in xeric habitats, and fourth is diploids. So it is mainly the thallus of liverworts are mainly dorsiventral and appraised to substrate. So B is the correct answer. Next question is, asexual reproduction in liverworts means fragmentation of thalli, formation of specialized structure, both A and B, and none of these. So asexual reproduction in liverworts means fragmentation of thalli. This is the correct answer, and it is also formation of specialized structure. So option C is the correct answer. Gyme in liverworts are formed during sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, spore formation, and adverse condition. So gyme, we know it is formed during the asexual reproduction. Last question is, Marchantia is an algae. It is a gymnosperm, it is fern and bryophyte. We know that Marchantia, it is bryophyte. So option D is the correct answer. So please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that we can make more videos for your revision of your NEET as well as your class 11th.